Samsung's latest robot vacuum sanitized 99.999% bacteria with 100 degrees Celsius steam.
Everyone left the room. The space was contaminated.
The traces they left are mine to erase. Cleaning in progress. Corner secured. Dust cleaned.
Return to station.
Copy that.
Proceeding to sterilization phase.
Docking complete.
Beginning 100 degrees Celsius steam sterilization. Sterilization progress, 99.999%. No chemicals used.
In a space everyone has gone, I erased even the unseen traces.